are going to be doing a fire alarm test out of all of these fire alarms. Okay, so let's start off with the fire alarm lift and pull. So lift up and then pull. Alright, there we go. Let's now reset it. Okay, there we go. Now it's reset. So now let's do this one, the push and then pull. Here we go. Push in and then pull down. Alright, now let's reset it. Alright, there we go. And now, here comes for this one from across the world. Here we go. There we go. And now let's... There we go. And now we got our Simplex right here. Simplex. There we go. There we go. And now let's reset it. There we go. Now let's reset. And then now, this will be pretty much our last one. The fire alarm, Simplex, pull down. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Now let's reset it. Alright, there we go. And this one, it says push and pull down, but it actually won't pull down because I forgot to do something with it. So here we go. Alright, now let's lift up and pull down. Now let's reset them. And we got a real one over here, but we'll be not using that today because it's just our other collection right here. So yeah. And and here's our above alarms. So we got this one, it's a Simplex, alright? And we got this other one right here. I don't know what type this is. And then our pretty much last one, we got a one after this. We got this one, I think it's a game well. That's good, alright? And our last one, right here. I think this might be a game well. No, it might be a Honeywell or game well. So that is the end of our video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel because I only don't have a lot. So yeah, so bye. I'm gonna say goodbye in magic.